Friends, let me ask you something. Have you ever pulled a strawberry off your plant, pale in the center and nowhere near as sweet as you hoped? Meanwhile, your neighbor's strawberries look like they belong on a farmer's market poster. Well, here's the truth. They're not doing anything magical. They're just getting one step right that most gardeners rush past. Stay with me. Welcome back to Senior Garden Advisor. I'm glad you're here. Strawberries are one of the most forgiving fruits you can grow at this stage of life. They're perennial, so plant them once and they reward you for years. In raised beds, containers, even a hanging basket on the porch. Want berries all summer? Choose day-neutral varieties like Albion or Seascape, wonderful in pots. Want one big harvest for jam and shortcake? Plant June-bearing varieties like Earliglow or Chandler in a garden bed. Before you plant, soak the roots in room-temperature water for about 30 minutes. If any roots are longer than 4 inches, trim them back. This isn't fussy, it just helps the plant settle in without stress.
Now here's where most folks go wrong, and it's the single biggest mistake in strawberry growing. It's called the crown, that little knob where the leaves meet the roots. Bury it too deep and it rots within 2 weeks. Plant it too shallow and the roots dry out before the plant ever takes hold. The crown needs to sit exactly at soil level, not below it, not perched above it. Mound the soil slightly in your hole, drape the roots down over that mound, and settle the crown right at the surface. Take a moment to check it before you move on. Let me tell you about the most frustrating problem in strawberry growing: gray mold. Soft, fuzzy patches on fruit that looked perfect the day before. It feels like bad luck, but it isn't. It's simply fruit sitting against damp soil with no air moving underneath. Here's the fix. After planting, tuck a 2 to 3 inch layer of clean straw mulch around your plants. A bale costs just a few dollars, and it lifts the berries off the ground so they stay clean and dry. Here's my favorite tip of all. In year 1, pinch off the plant's very first flowers before they become fruit. I know that feels backwards, but those early blooms pull energy away from the roots. Remove them and the plant builds stronger roots, then rewards you with far more berries later on.
So let's bring it together, friends. Soak your roots, set the crown right at soil level, mulch with straw. In year 1, pinch those first blooms. None of this is complicated. None of this is expensive. It's just getting the little things right, and your strawberry patch will thank you for years to come. If this helped, please subscribe to Senior Garden Advisor and tell me in the comments what's given you the most trouble with strawberries.